Hello children, welcome back to computer class. In last class we have studied about some of the commands of Logo language. Now in today's class we will study the remaining commands of Logo language. Fine. So let us start. In last class we have studied the basic commands of Logo language. Now today we are going to study the following topics, that is arithmetic operations using Logo. We will be seeing about how to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division using Logo. Then we are going to see about pen up command, pen down command, pen erase command, hide turtle command and show turtle command. Fine, so one by one we are going to see these commands. Now first we are going to see about arithmetic operations. In arithmetic operations, we are going to see addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. In computer language, addition is denoted by plus sign, subtraction is denoted by hyphen sign. Okay. Multiplication is denoted by asterisk and division is denoted by backslash. Okay. So now we will see in Logo language how to use this arithmetic operations, how to use a Logo language for the arithmetic operations. Okay. Now first we are going to see about arithmetic operations using Logo language. Okay, so this is the Logo screen. When you open the Logo application, this is the screen that that you will get. Okay, suppose I want to perform addition of two numbers, for example 5 and 8. Okay, so the syntax is PR. PR command is print command. It prints it prints your content on this screen. Okay, whichever content you want to be printed, you can use this PR command for that. Okay, fine. Now PR 5, since we are doing addition, put plus sign then 8. Okay, then press enter. You can see that PR 5 plus 8, downside of this answer has come as 30. Fine. So similarly you can choose any of the two numbers, but when there are more than two numbers, suppose there are three numbers, okay, then you have to put that numbers and the operator in bracket. Okay, now sum. Okay, since we are doing addition, that's why we are going to use sum. Then 5 plus 8 plus 12, bracket close. Fine. Then press enter. Then you can see that answer has come at the end row. Fine, the answer is 25 if you can see it properly. If you are not able to see it properly, then please change the quality on the video by going in the settings of video. Okay. Now next is difference. Fine. So difference, PR means print difference of 12 minus 9. Since only two numbers we are using, that's why no need of brackets. Press enter and then you will get the answer. PR 12 minus 9 is 3. Fine. So in this way you can use the arithmetic operators in Logo. Fine. Now next, and if there are three numbers, then how you will do? Similarly you just have to put the numbers in brackets. Okay. Now next, to find the difference of two numbers, say 12 and 9. 12 and 9 just we have seen. Okay, so next is multiplication. Print multiplication sign is asterisk, PR 8 multiplication sign is shift 8 asterisk 4. press enter, you can see that 8 multiplied by 4 is 32. Fine. Now next is division. PR, PR means print. 12 divided is denoted by backslash in computer. 12 divided by 3. Press enter and the answer is 4. So in this way you can use this methods for the arithmetic operations. Fine. You just have to know the syntax, how to write the commands in Logo language. Okay. Now the next command that we are going to see is penup command. We know that turtle draws a line while moving. Okay, whenever we use any command, the turtle draws the line while moving. Okay, but sometimes we do not require any line. Sometimes we just want to shift the turtle by some units. Okay, in that case we can use pu or penup command. Okay, short form of penup command is pu. That time we use pu or penup command for logo. Fine. Now this command lifts the pen of the turtle, or we can say that this command is used to move the turtle to any part of the screen without drawing a line. Wherever we want the turtle should move on that screen, we can use this command and the turtle will be moved to our required place. Okay, we use this command when we have to leave some gap in the drawing. When we are when we are drawing any picture or any shape and we want that turtle should leave some gap, okay, that time we can use this penup command. Fine. Now the second command, the next command is pen down command. When we use pu command, the turtle does not draw a line. If we want to draw again, we require another command called pd or pen down command. Okay, after using the penup command, when we want the turtle should draw again, that time we can use pen down command, and this command is used to put the turtle's pen down to the screen so that the turtle could draw again. Fine. So this was about pen up and pen down command. The next command is pen erase command. Now, PE or pen erase command, it works like an eraser. This command is used to rub the lines. Fine. Now PE command is followed by FD or BK commands, forward or backward commands, which erases the lines in the particular direction. Okay, whichever direction we want, in that according to that we can use this FD or BK command after we have used PE command. Fine. And we can erase the required lines. Now next is, after drawing the whole picture or any shape or any drawing, after completing the drawing, we can hide the turtle to make our drawing look complete on the screen. Okay, now this can be done using the hide turtle or HT command. Fine. Now we can hide the turtle to make our drawing look complete on the screen, and this can be done using hide turtle or HT command. Fine. Now next is show turtle command, ST command. This command is used to show the turtle again on the screen. Okay, this command makes the turtle visible on the screen again, and we can continue our work using this command. Fine. We can, after using this command, we can continue our work with the turtle. Okay, so far we have studied 7 commands. First we have seen arithmetic and logical operations using logo commands. Then next we have seen pen up command, then next pen down command, then next pen erase command, hide turtle command, show turtle command. Okay, so this was all about this chapter, that is logo commands 1. Okay, this was the fourth chapter in your computer syllabus. Now I am attaching one worksheet with this video. You need to solve that worksheet and send it on my email. Thank you. The remaining commands in this chapter. From that, first we will see pen up command. First let us draw something. For that I am drawing a line using FD command. FD 60, suppose. Click on execute and a line is drawn. Now we are going to see the pen up command. Pen up command or PU command is used to draw a line while moving. Okay, turtle draws a line while moving, but sometimes we do not require any line. Okay, when we do not require any line from the turtle, in that case we are going to use the PU or pen up command. Now this command lifts the pen of the turtle. Fine. Or we can say that this command is used to move the turtle to any part of the screen without the drawing. Fine. Now we use this command when we have to leave a gap, some gap in the drawing. When we require any gap or place in the drawing, that time we will use this command. Now after drawing something, I am using the command PU, that is pen up command. Okay, press enter. Your turtle has been lifted. Now again use FD command. FD space 40 units. Press enter and you can see that turtle is lifted up by 40 units. Fine. So this is the way you can use the pen up command. Next is pen down command. When we use the PU command, the turtle does not draw a line. But if we want that the turtle should draw again, we require a command called PD command. Fine. Now for PD, first execute PD, then execute FD space whatever units you want your turtle to move. Write that FD 40 and you can see that turtle is drawing again using that. Fine. For using the PD command, first execute the PD command, that is pen down command, and then use the forward or backward command to draw the lines. Okay, this is the way you can use the pen up or pen down command. Then next is pen erase or PE command. PE, first you have to use the PE command. Type PE in this command box and then press enter or click on execute. Okay, now PE command is also followed by FD command. Suppose I want to erase a line by 40 units. Then press enter and you can see that your line has been erased. Fine. So this is the way you can use the pen erase command. Whichever line you want to erase it, you can use the this command by giving proper instructions or commands. Then next is hide the turtle. HT command. When you type HT in command box, press enter and you can see that turtle is hidden. But when you want to see the turtle again, you will have to use the ST command, that is show turtle. ST command or show turtle is used to turtle again on the screen. Fine. This command makes the turtle visible on the screen again. After using the ST command, press enter and you can see that turtle head is back again on the screen. So this is the way you will use this commands in Logo language. There are few more concepts that we are going to see in next class.